I like doing that because you get to see my little swirl look. Questions. Do I remove it every night? We talking about my dentures? Sorry, I just had to throw that one in. You know, I'm known as a mole now, aren't I? Do I remove my hair system every night? No, I don't. Does Judy take it off without me knowing? I'm not sure, but she puts it back on well, she does. No, this is a procedure for me that bonds for 7 days to 10 days. I use a lace tape and adhesive at the front, and I get 7 to 10 days out of it. I will go back into the daily bonding. There are plenty of, I'm going to call them hair pieces, swear words, hair pieces, wigs, toupees that which are taken off at the end of the evening. Generally put in a bucket by the side of the bed, pull it out in the morning, slap it on, and they don't look like this, right? And the reason they don't look like this is if I took this off, this bespoke hair system that looks fantastic on a daily basis, it put a lot of stress on the lace at the front because of the delicate knotting and so forth. If you imagine tape going on, it's all logical. Tape on or adhesive onto the front, remove solvent every night. What's that? 28 attachments a month on something that looks so delicate. I just come up with this analogy. Putting stockings on 28 times in a month. They're gonna wear, aren't they? I only wear stockings on Saturdays if you're just a bit concerned. So it's just a logical thing about that, yeah? Yeah, big and bulky hair systems can come on and off all night, every night because they're built for that, but they just don't look good. Bonding with one of these hair systems, no longer than 4 weeks. Personally, I don't do that because I sweat a lot, as you know. I don't really sweat on flogs, but I do sweat on the cross dresser, I mean the cross trainer. So to answer to the questions we get, a hair for a hair system would not be suited to be put on and taken off at night and worn on a daily basis. It's far too delicate. 7 to 10 days or up to 4 weeks. Anyway guys, I'll leave you on that. Say hello to the beast and see you next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.